Good afternoon. I hope you are doing well. So this is the speaking test for the International English Language Testing System. So I am Mohammed Azad. I am going to take your speaking test. So may I know your name, please?
My full name is Mohammadpur.
Thank you. So what should I call you in short?
You just call me Niloy, just like everyone else do.
Okay, thank you, Niloy. So everything is fine? Yes. Are you comfortable to sit for the exams? Okay, thank you very much. So I'm going to start with part 1, and you know that in part 1, you'll be asked some questions on the daily basis, your likeness, dislikeness, your hobby. Okay, so let me start asking you from part 1. So are you a student or a service holder?
Well, basically I'm a student and recently I completed my HSC exam, and I'm a student right now at a university at my major subject CSE.
Okay, thank you. What do you do for a living?
It's a tricky question, but for my living purpose I just have little bit tuitions and I continue that for my pocket money.
What is your hobby?
To be honest, my hobby is reading books, because whenever I read lots of books, that's when I delve into the realm and understand the storyline, which give me the proper idea.
Do you prefer to drink tea or coffee?
It depends. Like whenever I go outside, especially my friend who's me when I try to drink coffee. And another thing is that when I just stay at my homes, especially my mom made a tea. This is really you could say tasty, and I feel so good.
What is the most favorite drink in your country?
From my country, most of the individuals try to drink a tea because it's our traditional drinks, and also especially when guests come to our at home, this moment especially they provide the teas and they drink that, and after that the communication are strong.
Okay. So now let's talk about keeping fit and healthy. What do you do to stay healthy?
I could say most of the time I just wake up early in the morning and do some little bit exercise, especially go outside and running on the roads there, and especially park I most of the time visit and try to work some little bit for.
How active you were when you were a child?
Since I remember when I was child, those moment I am not too much active, because those moment I have not any idea how can I feed, how can I do exercise, but yeah.
How important is it for children to be active?
From my perspective, I think it's crucial for children to maintain activities for fit. For example, when children are trying to maintain their fitness, this moment they understand their soul values, and especially their bones are strong when they engage in exercise.
Okay, thank you. And that brings us to the end of part 1. So I want to give you some feedbacks on this part 1. Here, you know that like the band score lies on 4 criteria. That's like fluency, coherence, that's 1, and then lexical resources, grammar, and pronunciation. I found in some cases you repeated the sentences. You got it, and your sentences have become shorter. So you must focus on both short and long sentences, and you used less fillers, connective words. So that's also important, that if you want to make your sentences vibrant and just put some more flavor, so you have to introduce with fillers, connective words, and that you try to put in different sentences. Okay, so another things I noticed that about the pronunciation, some cases the pronunciations are fail to understand. So you must take care of the the stress level, the word stress level, intonations, so that will make your pronunciations clear. Okay, so overall you must take care of on all 4 parts. Okay, so that's all for part 1. So thank you.